Hey there! Are you having trouble with your TP Link RTL8821AU not showing up in Kali Linux? You're not alone. This common issue can be a real headache, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix TP Link RTL8821AU not showing in Kali Linux. With a few simple steps, you'll have your wireless adapter up and running smoothly. Step 1. Confirm the wireless adapter. Before jumping into solutions, let's confirm your wireless adapter is being recognized by your system. Plug the adapter into a USB port and open a terminal window in Kali Linux. Type the following command: bash lsusb. This command lists all USB devices connected to your system. Look for an entry that mentions the RTL8821AU chipset. If you can see it here, it means your system recognizes the hardware, but the driver isn't installed yet. Step 2. Update and upgrade the system. Sometimes simply updating your system can solve the issue. In the terminal, use these commands: bash sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade. This will ensure your system is up to date. After updating, restart your computer and check if the adapter is now visible. Step 3. Install required packages. To install the necessary drivers for the TP Link RTL8821AU, you'll need a few packages. Enter the following command to install them: bash sudo apt install build -essential dkms linux -headers $$ parentheses uname -r parentheses git. These packages are essential for building and integrating the driver into your system. Step 4. Clone the driver repository. Next, you'll need to get the actual driver source code. In the terminal, execute bash git clone https://github.com/aircrack-ng/rtl8812au.git. This command clones the aircrack-ng repository, which contains a compatible driver for your adapter. Step 5. Build and install the driver. Navigate to the clone directory and install the driver. Bash cd space RTL8812AU sudo space make space dkms_install. This process will build and install the driver. It might take some time, but once it completes, your system should recognize the adapter. Step 6. Verify installation. Reboot your computer and then check if the adapter is working. Use this command to verify: bash ip link show. If you see a new wireless interface listed, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the issue with your TP Link RTL8821AU not showing in Kali Linux. Getting your TP Link RTL8821AU to show up in Kali Linux doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following this guide, you should be able to solve the issue with ease. Remember, staying patient and following each step carefully is key to success. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or a beginner, these instructions are designed to get you back online swiftly and efficiently. Stay updated with the latest driver releases and system updates, as these can often improve compatibility and performance. Enjoy your seamless Kali Linux experience, and happy hacking!